everyone, fellow music friends. My name is Sien, and just like everyone else, I'm spending a lot of time in my home. No time for cinema, theater, or for concerts. But luckily, we can still go and take a nice walk outside. Do you know who was also a fan of strolling through nature? Beethoven, the classic music composer Beethoven. He lived from 1770 to 1827. But even today, his music is still just as genius. And that's why, especially for you, the Brussels Philharmonic Orchestra will be playing his 6th symphony through a live stream. This symphony is called the Pastoral, and through it, Beethoven shows us his passion for nature, for rivers, for forests, for rocks, for mountains, for the land waking up. It's beautiful music, it really is.